Hello and welcome to this mini tutorial where we're going to break down and then build back up the pronunciation of the word necessary. So here we have the script from the dictionary and you can see the mark at the top, the blue mark, top left, tells us that we want to stress the first syllable. So when we say necessary, ness is bigger. And the three blue dots at the bottom just show us that what we're doing is dividing this word into 4 syllables. Necessary. So now we're going to break it down and look at each syllable in turn, and then at the end we'll put them back together so that we can think about how the word sounds in full, and we'll think about any common errors that occur. So first of all then we've got ness. That's a n up in the nose, a short e, and then a s, a hissed s. Ness. Repeat after me. Ness. Then we have a short that's the schwa, that's the weak vowel. So you want your tongue to be quite relaxed in the mouth. Then we have ser. So we've got the s again, a short e and then a r. Ser. And finally, just a little e at the end there. It's slightly longer than the I, but it's not as long as the E, somewhere in the middle. I. So when we build all of that back together, we get necessary. And I want you to repeat after me one time, necessary. And let's have a look now, think about the orthography. Necessary, when you look at this word written down, it might not be clear to you because there are lots of C's and S's, what we're doing with those consonants, and possibly the vowels might trick you, particularly that one at the end. We say an E, necessary, but it looks like an A. Don't be tempted to change that vowel into an A. It needs to be an E. Necessary. And remember, it's 4 syllables. We stress the first one. So for the final time, nice and loud, repeat after me. Necessary. Fantastic. So I hope you found that useful. If you did, go ahead and hit like. Leave me a comment if you've got any questions about how to pronounce necessary, or indeed any of the other words in this series. And if you've got any requests for future videos, then drop those in the comments and I'll add them to my list. Thanks for watching and have a lovely day.